cha Fisheries Protection Unit baragaye Bayotsya ebyona ebirikukozesebwa mu kujuba obwenyanja butahikire kandi byabarwa miliyoni 2 aha mwaro gwa Kanara aha Lake Albert omuri Ntoroko district. Kandi omukushomesa bwoku okwa abantu bakubasa kujuba aha Lake Albert abajubi aba baragaye baragirwa kubahika hare no kujuba obwenyanja buto okurugirira hari Major Frank Kanzira kandi wabajwekire Lieutenant Colonel Maset Kahirwa yashoborera ngo omeza atano gahwire aba FPU Fisheries Protection Unit bayirize kwata ebirikukozesebwa mu kujuba kandi bikubarwa miliyoni 2 omusente za Uganda kandi Bayotsya kibari kugira ngo ekintu kizakoreka batakakwasirwe okurekeraho muzogu.
Today we are here in Kanara Town Council to witness the destruction of illegal fishing gears that FPU has impounded for the last 5 months. These impounded gears are valued worth billions, over 2 billion Uganda shillings. As FPU, we shall continue sensitize fishermen and embrace good fishing methods.
Ogu yayongera yagira ngo bwanyuma Lieutenant Colonel Maset Kahirwa okurgaye kashomesa abantu okuba kubasa kujuba econgera ha muhendo gw'ibyenyanja ebiri kujubwa mu ihanga.
I appeal to the fishing communities of Kanara Town Council, of Kanara Sub-County and all leaders at every level in Ntoroko district to work hand in hand with enforcement, FPU enforcement, and fight against these illegal fishing methods, these illegal fishing gears.
We have a challenge here where most of our fishermen do not want to use life jackets. Of recent, some 10 days ago, we lost one of our councillors called Silva, was in a small boat without a life jacket. We even rescued some 4 people. One only who had a life jacket blew the whistle and went and rescued them. So we urge the community to always adhere to the rules of fishing but of using protective gears like the life jackets.
Kandi bo abembezi ba district ya Ntoroko bashabira bona barikwejumbira mu kujuba okwatanisa nabe kitongore cya Fisheries Protection Unit okwenda kuze byenyanja kandi no kuyaho kujuba kutahikire.
As leaders, for us, we shall emphasize on sensitization and also joining hands with the FPU Marine to do much more work, and we request the president to first keep them in the lake because illegality is still too much.
A series of sessions of training on the new licensing system, which is going to ensure that the time frame taken by a fisherman to access a fishing license is reduced by significant time frame. So at least now we are migrating to a system that is more effective and time cautious when it comes to issuing a license.
Kandi bo abembezi bebyaro borekero kwehayo kan okwatanisa n'aba FPU okureba ngo bamaraho omuzogu.
Ebitimba twokeze kirukino byari nibyo bitimba bikusisira kimwe nyanja kuhendera no butimbo butaito buno bwembarasa siri kuntu wetembasa manye butembero rufirifero ni nsima muno ntaina kugarukira is excess kulete kitekerezeki na bakomanda za bakisindika kunu ni nsima fande mase obiyeze kunu akatekaho entegeka y'abantu kukorana n'abasirikali bale kubanoba kandi abantu bahuriye abasirikali bakubagambira.
Makuraga gashakwa Gerard Muhindo abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga.